Starting today, for the first time in 80 years, private companies, including hedge funds and private equity firms, can solicit investment funds directly from accredited investors, that is, those with a net worth of over $1 million. And that could mean big changes in the real estate industry as it turns to a favorite tactic of startups, crowdfunding. Diana Olick has our story.
It's happening here in Washington, D.C.'s H Street corridor in Northeast, a transitional neighborhood that still has a ways to go. Areas like this are not exactly favorites among large-scale real estate investors. Smaller, local investors know their potential, but until today were largely shut out. Now, crowdfunding real estate is about to get easier.
Public will help you build your real estate.
Ben Miller has already been crowdfunding commercial real estate through a tricky exemption in the law. His company, Fundrise, brings small local investors to projects like this soon-to-be D.C. restaurant and market. It was limited to locals, but starting today, he can market to investors anywhere.
Over time, you'll realize that the public is an incredible partner, incredible asset. When you democratize investment in real estate, not only you get capital, but you actually get a social power that wasn't possible before.
While Fundrise's investors have paid as little as $1,000 for a share in the building and its revenue, the new rules allow national marketing only to wealthy investors. But that restriction is set to disappear soon, too.
You're going to see ways to refinance the money out. You can sell the property. You get distributions from cash flow. I mean, you become like a landlord, like playing Monopoly.
It may be like Monopoly, but investors may also be playing Risk. Critics argue that as regulations disappear and investing in real estate becomes as easy as buying a book on Amazon, some people might not get what they paid for.
Properties that don't exist, that's even more of a problem because there's no guarantee that someone can't raise money and never actually see any construction take place.
But with the doors swinging open, developers are flooding in. Prodigy is working on a project in downtown Manhattan, and Realty Mogul has also launched a website for investors. While Miller began as a developer, he's now focused on Fundrise's web platform, which is now giving 50 developers in 16 cities the ability to crowdfund at a click. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.